the green button is the on, then the warm up, and you can see the display on the RPK-20. You zoomed in on that?
Yeah, I'm zoomed in as far as it'll zoom in.
Can you tell the light difference?
Nope. Sure can't.
Now can you?
Now you can see the lights on the middle of the display.
But are you in on this one right here?
Yeah, I'm in on that one. But the problem is, how do I
This
tilt?
right there. Right there.
I have to do this over again. So now that I can't see anything.
Can't see anything wrong?
No, because the light's gone. Ja, du musst wieder Licht anschalten. Ja, ist gar nichts da. That's better.
You can't see the light difference on the panel.
Now you can see the light. Yeah, there you go.
Can you see the blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Symbols on the RPK-20 are, this is the type of missile, this is an IR. This round ball with the arrow on it is air. The square with the half circle is the control system. Up here is the battery. This is the altitude. Right now it's set on 50 meters. This is the warm-up line. This is a 200-second line right here. The check that we're doing takes 260 seconds. By pushing the on and the warm-up, that's a 200-second check, and the last 60 seconds is when this turns white. You hit the control button, and you can see that it's turning white now.
Is this a color film by any chance?
Yeah.
Also die Luftzufuhr drücken unten. Jetzt kommt die unklare, okay.
Was?
Die Luftzufuhr. Die emittierte Luftzufuhr so.
Oh yeah, you have to, there you go.
Okay.
This is to imitate the air for the IR missile. On the radar missiles, you don't have to hit the air imitation button. This light here indicates that everything is on 0 on the rocket.
Point to that light again.
This light right here.
Okay.
Each of these bottom lights means something. The second one is a seeker field, and this is tells what degree you have the seeker on the fire control console. Yeah. The number 2 light is indicates that the missile speed sensor is warming up. The number 4 light is the battery power indicator, and you have power to the battery. The number 8 light calibrates the gyro and the altimeter of the missile. And the number 16 light altimeter calibration light. And number 32 is the missile launch light. That's when the firing circuit has been connected and the missile is launched.
Die kommen jetzt bestimmt unklar, die Infrarot. Da unten die erste ist schon. Und die oben bestimmt auch. Das hängt damit zusammen, dass er den Knopf zu spät gedrückt hat für die Luftzufuhr.
Mhm.
Das wird sicherlich oben auch passieren.
Ja, kein Problem.
Shut the curtain. Shut the curtain. Okay, 200-second cycle is completed. Start the 60-second check now. The light goes blue. This is the altimeter light here. The blue with the arrow at the bottom indicates what altitude the missile is set at. The red is lit up, that means it's set at 50 meters. There's an option of 50 to 25 meters, and that's located on the 101 console. When it turns white completely again, a green square will come around the outside of the screen, and that will indicate that the rocket is okay.
I love those little guns.
Okay. That's the second part of the check. 60 seconds. The green line around the screen indicates that the rocket is ready to go. Continue the check. You have to cycle through the corral system and through the firing circuit.
Ich soll vielleicht noch mit dazu sagen, dass also die Laufzeiten man noch hat von den einzelnen Regimen. Auch wenn jetzt in dieser Stellung, wie die Rakete jetzt ist, mit diesem grünen Rahmen, kann man die Anlage, den APK 20, eine halbe Stunde laufen lassen. Dann muss er ihn abschalten.
That might be important to note that when you got it in that configuration now, with the green around it,
You can only stay there for
half an hour. Up to a half an hour, and then you have to turn it off.
When it's in the ready to fire mode, that green light would be lit around the outside of the screen. You can only stay in that mode for 30 minutes. The best standby mode to be in is complete the 200-second check, and then it only takes 60 seconds to bring it up to fire from there. If you have the green line around the screen, you can only stay in that mode for a half hour. Zoom in on the console here. Can you point the light down?
It's too much. We have points. The rooms are going to put up. The ring. Control for backup dates.
You get the whole thing in there?
Sure do.
What to do here is hop up on this periscope.
Okay.
Elevate, traverse.
You don't have to have me in on it.
You know.
And read off what numbers are here.
To complete the RPK check,
Here.
you have to cycle through the launchers, open the doors, and simulate firing the missile. The console has to be on. The on button.
Last resort, and just point the boat towards the
We'll
target.
fire in regime 1. And when the ship's stationary and pier side, regime 1 allows you to check the system without actually coming to combat course. Regime 2 and 3 require you to actually change the ship's course. This can be done from the radar room, but it's easier to check it in regime 1, which is a visual launch mode. Okay. Console's on. What we'll do is we'll open the upper missile doors. You have to put the key. Zoom down here. The pole in your way?
Yep.
Dead center?
Dead center.
Oh well, we'll live with it.
Radar systems will have that face.
You ready? Okay. To enable the 101 launcher control panel, you have to insert the fire control key into box 75, put it in the operational position. And once it's in the operational position, the operational light will light up and the door status lights will light up, and you can see they're all closed right now. And we'll come back over to this console. Okay. The console's on, the 75 box is in the operational position, so we have control of the launchers at the 101 panel. Each missile tube has its own set of controls, and they're numbered. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is how they sit on the ship also. 1 and 3 to starboard and 2 and 4 to port. 3 and 4 are the lower launchers, 1 and 2 are the upper launchers. And these lights indicate that the missile is ready to go, and this would be missile 2 and missile 1. We're going to just do the upper tubes today. Open the launcher door with the launcher sequence button, position 1, and you can hear the hydraulic motor start in the launcher. Press the open button. The launcher door will open and the light will come on. You want to turn the hydraulic motor off. And now you can see the light is lit. The door is open and it's ready to fire. You can't have 2 doors on the same launcher open at the same time. Now we'll open launcher door number 1, position 1, the open button. You can see the light came on, launcher's open. Turn the hydraulic motor off. You're almost ready to fire now. Just have to make sure that your fire control data gets from plank shave radar into the missile system. I'm going to bring the camera up here to the 83K. 83K is all the holds all the missile fire control data. When you hit the data enter button, the light comes on. Now you're ready to fire. We'll close the firing circuits, which are here. We are going to fire 1 and 2. That's 1. And that's 2. The last thing we have to do is ensure that the temperature control system for the launcher cooling is off. That's on the back wall. You won't be able to see that. Okay. We've simulated turning that off. Now we're ready to fire. I'm going to zoom in on the RPKs. See that? Okay. Now, we're going to depress the launch buttons on the 101, and you can see the fire control circuit lights light up on the RPK-20s. That's the firing circuit. That means it's lit and the missile's gone. You want to terminate the power to that by hitting the unlock button on the 101K, which is here. Go back to the RPK-20s and show the power. Now you can see the lights are out. We've simulated firing, and the R129 and the X43 appear to check out okay. Okay?
Very good.
Leave them open? Leave the doors open? Yeah.
Passt, ja.
We're done.
Take step by step by step. They were taking little.
Hey, turn this off. Stand by.
Did you push the button again?
No. Which button?
That record button.
Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah, that's right.